Hey, Matt from ViewfinderMastery here. I hope your new year is off to a great start, and I hope you've been able to find time for your photography amidst the busy holidays. Our members have been working on a really fun Strike a Pose photography challenge, and in December we really pushed them to develop their portrait photography skills and posing techniques. One of the main ideas behind this challenge was pulling together some posing ideas beforehand and then really working it with your subject once you're in the sweet spot. The submissions that came in led to a really interesting feedback conversation as we reviewed our members' shots. Here's a few excerpts from the conversation that Jesse and I recently had. I like the journey of the whole thing. I'm definitely a fan of this middle shot.
I think it does work, and like you said, it's kind of a playful pose.
Great photos, very expressive.
I think the one that grabbed both of us was the one in the middle, the kicking the foot out. It's just something different and unexpected.
Kind of like the attitude of the pose matches the outfit.
Clearly you're just not goth enough.
I'm not goth enough, that's the problem, yeah. Nicole cut to the chase. It's about this person and it's about the pose.
The way that it's framed just is really nice to me, and she's broken the spine there and looks very relaxed.
So congratulations to our members who participated in the December Photography Challenge. We can't wait to see where January's challenge, Dutch Angle, takes you. Wait, what? You're not a member yet? Head over to ViewfinderMastery.com and become a member to start leveling up your photography skills today. We deliver fun new high-quality lessons every month, and we give you the constructive feedback and the support that you need to take your photography further. So make 2025 the year that you hit your creative stride. Head over to ViewfinderMastery.com to become a member today, and we look forward to seeing you inside.